If your Android phone feels slow, laggy, or just not as snappy as before, you are not alone. Over the time, app piles up, background stuff runs non-stop, and your phone just gets tired. Simple thing like opening messages or scrolling social media starts to feel like a overwhelming task. But here's the good news, you don't need to buy a new phone or reset everything completely to speed it up. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to make your Android faster without root or any fancy tools. So let's get right into it. So way one is to restart your phone. It sounds basic, but just restarting your phone clears out junk from memory. Try doing it every few days and you will notice a difference. Step 2 is to clear background apps. For that you can swipe away unused apps or go to like settings and then go to apps and then running apps and force stop the ones you don't need. Step 3 is to turn off animations. For that you can go to settings and then you can go to about phone, or if you have developer options enabled then you can directly go to developer options like that. And from there you have to find window animation scale, transition scale and animated duration scale and set them all to 0.5 or turn them off for faster navigation. And step 4 is to uninstall and disable unused apps. Old apps take up space and sometimes run in the background, so long press them and tap on uninstall to uninstall them. Now step 5 is to free up storage. If your storage is almost full, your phone slow down. For that you can go to file manager or directly go to settings and storage and then free up space to delete junk files, old downloads and unused media. And make sure you are running the latest system update on your app versions from Play Store. So try them out, and if your phone feels smoother, let me know in the comments. And if this video helped, give it a like, share it with someone who is always complaining about their phone is slow, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos like that. Catch you in the next one.